This is the condition of Aravalli Hills, and this is just one small section of this 2.5 billion years old mountain range, and this has been way before this new decision. So if this was the condition of Aravalli, we don't know, or we can just only estimate what is going to be the condition of the 90% of the range which has not qualified in the newly accepted definition by the Supreme Court. We just now felt this entire mountain shiver because there are blasts going on. As we were telling you, usually for the limestone mining, the acceptable range of the blast is around 1 meter, and that won't be so harsh that we could feel this entire mountain feel shake. Well, the Supreme Court has recently accepted a new definition of Aravalli Hills. Aravalli Hills, this entire range, which is around 2.5 billion years old, which is also the lungs of the Delhi NCR. Now, the Supreme Court has accepted a new definition in which it is saying that any mountain within the Aravalli range, which is less than 100 meter, will not be qualified as a part of the Aravalli range. That is the new accepted definition. Republic is here at the Aravalli Hills, and we are bringing you the ground reality, what is actually happening in the Aravalli range, how slowly this range is losing its essence, how slowly they are trying to make way for mining, for illegal mining, for construction. After corporate pressure, they are allowing corporate structure to enter the lungs of Delhi NCR. We'll also show you around how a lot of ranges who were clearly above 100 meters of range, after speaking to the local villagers of the Jodhpura village, we have got to know that several villages who were located here, they were relocated from this spot just so this ultra-tech crusher system, this crusher factory could be set up here. As you can see on the far end of our frame, we'll show you several of the villages, around 10 villages of this entire region have been relocated. And on paper, that is what the system has been claiming, that on paper they have all the required medical assistance, employment options and everything that should be provided to them. But clearly, according to the locals, it was nowhere to be found. It was nowhere offered. It was nowhere mentioned. But there, what we see here in this locality are two different stories. One is what the system has been selling, and the other one, which is the reality of the villages.
ये अल्ट्राटेक सीमेंट फैक्ट्री की खदानें चल रही हैं, जो आप देख रहे हो। इसकी गहराई जो वाटर लेवल तक पहुंच गई, और यहाँ पे 1,000 फीट तक पानी नहीं मिल रहा है। और जिस पहाड़ी पे खनन चल रहा है, यह अरावली श्रृंखला में आती है, जो इसके जस्ट बगल में कुजेता गांव है, वो उससे भी ज्यादा ऊंची थी। परंतु इन्होंने कानून को ठेंगा दिखाते हुए, यानी कानून से बचने के लिए सरकार को वो क्या राजस्व नहीं देने की वजह से, तो इन्होंने पहले ही क्या इसको ऊपर से कटाई की गई है।
Viewers, Republic is showing you the ground reality. What is exactly happening at the Aravalli range? Even before this recent acceptance of Supreme Court of the new definition has come up, there has been illegal mining going on all throughout the Aravalli range. We are here at Pawana Ahir village in Rajasthan, and we are going to just show you what is the site here. You can see there are 3 trucks. Before Republic was here, this area was well lit. There was so much light, you couldn't have known that this was some secluded village. But the moment they saw us approaching, the moment they saw us shooting, their illegal mining, because according to the DGMS order, which is the Director General of Mine Safety's order, no mining is allowed post sunset. So the allowed time period is between sunrise to sunset, but they were still continuing with the illegal mining in straight defiance of law, in straight defiance of the DGMS order, affecting thousands of people living nearby because they're suffering with health issues now. But I'll tell you exactly what happened. You can see there are 3 trucks that you can see which are currently stationary, and if we wouldn't have seen their drivers practically running out of the trucks and quickly turning off the lights, quickly turning off the engine, we could have just felt that okay, they're just stationary here. But we'll also try to zoom in and show you there are, in 2 of these trucks, there are still drivers hiding. And if we zoom enough, you can see their phone screens. They are peeking momentarily and they're checking if we are still there. If we are not there, they would just go on their merry way and start with their mining against the law and against the order and start destroying the Aravalli range. But when we came there, this area, this complete area which now you see, which is pitch dark, this pitch black right now, was very well lit. But within 5 minutes, within a matter of 5 minutes, we saw every single light turn off here. Every single light turn off. The trucks were switched off, the engine was switched off, the drivers are still hiding inside, still peeking at times and checking if they can go ahead with their mining or not. You can see 3 trucks stationary with this completely pitch black. If somebody enters this area right now, they'll feel that okay, there is no mining going on. So every law is being followed, the order is being followed. But the ground reality was caught on Republic camera.
3 तारीख को एनजीटी कोर्ट का फैसला आया है, जो हमने 1.5-2 साल पहले दायर किया था। उसमें कंपनी को दोषी मानते हुए 500 मीटर की दूरी पर ब्लास्टिंग, अवैध खनन नहीं करने के ऑर्डर दिया है, लेकिन उन्होंने ये साफ मतलब नहीं करते, उसके आदेश की पालना नहीं कर रहे।
Viewers, you can see this is illegal mining that is happening, which has occurred during the daytime. The workers were here a while back, they just left. And this is in Gaylord again, in the Aravalli range and Hills region. You can see the amount of sand that's been exploited from the lands of Rajasthan. And the smoke is also burned out here. This is the cave of the tragedy, the expanse of it all. This is illegal sand mining is what the locals have told me that has happened here. No one else is here but Republic to get you what has occurred, and this keeps on going for 24/7 during the day. Overnight, over 20 trucks have taken the exploits, the loots from the soils of Rajasthan, from the soil of Aravalli, and then sell it for profit. हाँ सर, आप कुछ बता रहे थे इसके बारे में। यहाँ पे इलीगल माइनिंग होती है सर, तो ये इलीगल माइनिंग जो होती है यहाँ पे काफ़ी लोग होते हैं उसके लिए जो काम करते हैं।
ये सर पूरे ही एरिया में हो रही है, यहाँ नहीं, पूरे एरिया में हो रही है, उधर भी हो रही है, यहाँ भी हो रही है,
सब जगह ये चीज
सब
चलता
जगह
रहता
इसी
है.
जगह है। पत्थरों की भी दिखा दूंगा.
So he's going to take us to the next spot, which is where stones, precious minerals are being mined illegally, and this is the sand mining site in the Aravalli Range.